Another very popular question in the short questions are the logic gate questions. They're very straightforward once you've practiced them a bit. So you will be given a page from the tables book defining each of the gates, but you will need to remember that the XOR gate will be missing, the exclusive OR gate. So let's have a look here. We've got a NOT gate, we've got an AND gate, and we have to complete this truth table for this circuit here. So you'll see when whatever goes into A at point Q here will have gone through the NOT gate, so it'll be the opposite of A. So we can do that first. So zeros will become ones, ones will become zeros. Now to find out P, it's an AND gate, so we need that to be 1, that to be 1. So we're going to ignore the original A inputs because they've been flipped now by the time they get to Q. So 0 and 1 is 0, it's the first one's done for us. 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 0 is 0. So the truth table for this is going to be 0, 1, 0, 0. The only instance where this will produce a 1 is when the input for A is 0, the input for B is 1, A gets flipped to 1, so by the time it gets to the AND gate it's a 1 and a 1. And that's hence the output P. Now another popular question, you're asked just to complete the truth table for any gates. This is an OR gate. So let's see, so 0 in A and B, 0. If A is 1 and B is 0 in the OR gate, if either OR, and if they're both 1, then it's still 1. Now, if this had the line through, it would be the exclusive OR gate, and then this would be 0. That's the difference. Now, let's have a look at the most common combination of circuit come across, which is the half adder, which works out if you're adding 2 bits, is it going to produce a sum or a carry? So a sum occurs if the bits, if there's only 1 bit going in, but if there's 2 bits going in, it's going to produce a carry. So let's do this. So if A is 0 and B is 0, we'll just write out the different combinations with 2 inputs. Obviously, if 3 inputs, you'd have more. So if A is 0 and B is 0, the sum going in here is 0, 0 produces a 0. 0 and 1 produce a 1 because it goes through the OR gate. 1 and 0 produce a 1 on the sum, go through the OR gate again. 1 and 1, because this is an exclusive OR gate, this 1 and 1 will produce a 0. Now for the AND, same inputs here. So 0 and 0 produces 0, 0 and 1 produces 0, 1 and 0 produces 0, 1 and 1 produce a 1. So you can see here that if there's a carry, it means there's 2 1 inputs, otherwise there's just a single 1 and it's a sum, and otherwise it's nothing at all. That's a half adder.